what?
No. Hi guys, this is from my YouTube channel.
Oh.
Hi guys, me here. Look at these awesome cars, bros.
Dude. Look at this. Aiden. Look at this.
Dodge Challenger, bros.
Oh my god, this thing has. Did you record the?
Yeah, I
the front of
did,
that?
man. Yeah, I did. Look at that,
Oh,
man.
Dude, look at the red.
Woo!
Here, get a good look at that.
Bro. Yeah, man. Dude, let's keep going. Let's keep looking. Oh, yeah, boys. Yeah.
Yeah, you're definitely gonna want to record that one. Oh wow, this thing's on freaking.
Bricks.
Yeah. Yeah, you're gonna put this. Look at this. It's
That
pink.
on, man. And my favorite color.
Pink. And look at this neon under it. Look at this. Oh, it's a nice thing for art. Look at it.
Whoa, is that an Audi?
Where? No, that's a Nissan. No, that's a Volkswagen.
No, that one, the Walzer.
Yeah, that's a Nissan. Red
Nissan.
one? Yeah, that's a Nissan. Yeah.
Sick.
That's actually pretty sick for just having a stripe on it. Carbon fiber stripe. And
Yeah.
a carbon fiber roof.
I would say it looked do like a race stripes. Holy.
Look at this.
Ooh, yeah.
It's a cooler with speakers
Having
in
a
it.
cooler with speakers. You got your own music going. What the? Dude, is that a Chevy Impala, bro? Ooh.
Oh wow.
Yo, Ian, Chevy Impala. Jesus, look at this. Oh my God. Unique. Bro. Oh. There's a pink neon
Dude, you can't even
light.
see in the window. Look at you can't even see in the back
We
window.
can't even see. Bro, sick.
I want to see this. What is over here?
Dude, I think that's a Chevy
Yeah.
Impala.
It says right on the side. It's a Chevy Impala.
Oh.
Oh man.
Dude, I was so like get this but in green.
What kind of green?
Light green?
Oh wow. Well, they definitely. Yeah, they definitely
Got
replaced
some
the
white
starter.
walls.
I know. Jesus.
Look at that one. I think that's like matte
Gross.
black. Yeah. That's crazy. This.
Oh, this guy's in a car.
Oh, that's a polished.
Ooh.
That's nice. That is beautiful. Oh my god. Look at this. They painted this whole section, which is normally not color matching even.
Yeah.
Man, that's gorgeous. Get the wheels too.
Ooh,
How's it going, guys?
good.
Oh man. Somebody.
Aiden. You didn't come by with like this?
Dude, I thought that was an Audi.
Power seats.
Dude, it's sick. Oh,
Sam, come on over here.
bro. Look at that one. Mm,
Off-roading route.
Nice job, boy.
Get that one. Look at the wheel. Looks like handgun grips.
Of course.
Holy
Yeah,
crap.
boy.
That's insane.
Want to see the white car? White convertible?
Look at this thing with the video game system in it.
Bro!
You see that? In the freaking car.
Walzer? It's a Nissan.
How much does this van cost?
Jesus.
You suck, dude. You cheat, right? You cheat so hard. That's right. Get past my mobile.
I gotta get a gameplay. I gotta get a gameplay. Bro.
150,000. Because it comes with a giant ass video game system. I mean, that's part of it.
So,
Crazy.
this has been fun. Ooh, Vikings.
Oh yeah, it's on the side of the.
Ooh.
Oh, that's because it's Viking sponsored. That's why it's so funny. Artificial turf in the van.
Ooh, check that out.
Oh man.
So, having fun at the car show.
Well, I don't think you're
Working
on-
on cars. Cool man, cool woman. Don't forget, they keep it cool.
And you found